Hello friends, today I've decided to make Galmbo Kismor. I took one big fat tomato, 2-3 green chilies, 2 big onions, some curry leaves and little fresh coconut. Then I added oil to a pan. I use coconut oil for this, and then I added the Galmbo, which has to be cleaned and washed well because sometimes it contains sand or dirt. Fry it well till it is nice and crispy and remove it in another plate. Then in the same pan, add little more coconut oil, add little mustard seeds, let them splatter a bit. Now add the curry leaves, 2-3 cloves of garlic cut into pieces. Now add the onions, but keep little onions aside for final garnishing. Stir fry the onions till they are slightly brown in color. Now add the green chilies, give it a stir. Add the tomatoes, stir them too. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder or according to your taste. Keep stirring till it is well mixed. Now add the coconut, mix it well. Add little salt and juice of 1 lemon. Mix it well. Now add the fried galmo which was kept aside and keep mixing it. This has to be done on a slow flame or a medium flame. Keep mixing it. And now towards the end, you have to add the onions which was kept aside. You can also garnish it with coriander leaves. And tasty galmo is ready. You can have it with rice or with rotis. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.